Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Mech in Mega Boss Survival. Reach Wave 50 and prioritize salvage from Leviathan and Kraken minibosses right away. Save scrap and cores so you can craft Mech components without delay. Hold choke points with teammates while one player farms tentacle generators to spawn the blueprint. Return to your Mech bay to assemble parts as soon as every component is gathered and ready. For efficient farming, focus on crowd control and clear rotations to keep the area safe for looting. Assign a dedicated looter to pick up cores while teammates maintain defensive positions near the spawn. Swap roles between rounds so no one runs out of resources mid-wave and so everyone gains salvage. Time your runs between boss spawns to maximize blueprint chances and avoid wasting respawn windows on weak targets and stray mobs. Hey, quick pause. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: grab the new Kindle Paperwhite to read patch notes, guides, and in-game lore anywhere. It fits in a backpack and lasts ages on a charge. I dropped a link and other deals in the description so you can check prices and extras. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have components, head straight to the Mech bay to begin assembly before another wave starts. Follow the blueprint order and install parts in sequence to prevent crafting errors and wasted materials. Keep spare salvage for quick repairs or last-minute upgrades after assembly completes. Test the Mech in a controlled area to confirm systems before deploying it into higher waves or boss fights for the best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.